Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. Move-in ready, 3-bedroom home in the city. This property is zoned in the C1 zone for neighborhood commercial. This home has several unique features, including a total of 3 fireplaces, and an indoor charcoal grill. The living room has a gas fireplace and some natural woodwork. The family room has a wood fireplace and a ceiling fan. The kitchen has ample covered space, a pantry, and laminate floors. The formal dining room has a pass-through to the kitchen, a built-in china cabinet and a ceiling fan. The laundry room is on the first floor, and has a large basin sink. There is also a full bath on the first floor. The second floor has a total of 3 bedrooms, and a full bath. The walk-up attic is finished. There is a built-in storage nook at the top of the basement stairs, and the basement has a rec room, a wood-burning fireplace and a charcoal grill, which could be turned into an excellent space for entertaining guests. The basement also has an exterior walkout. The detached